Ever felt like you're juggling flaming torches while trying to manage your business finances? You're wrestling with invoices, chasing payments, and then you need to add a new user to your Xero account. Suddenly, it feels like you're deciphering ancient hieroglyphics. You're not alone. Many small business owners find themselves a little lost when it comes to the seemingly simple task of adding a user in Xero. But fear not, because in this video we're going to demystify the process and walk you through it step by step. We'll cover everything from the basic steps to understanding the different user roles and permissions, so you can confidently manage your team's access to your financial data. Let's face it, Xero is a powerful tool, but like any powerful tool, it has a few intricacies. And understanding user roles is absolutely crucial. Imagine giving everyone in your company full access to your bank accounts. Nightmare scenario, right? That's why Xero's user roles and permissions are so important. They allow you to control precisely what each user can see and do within your Xero organization. This not only protects your sensitive financial information, but also helps streamline your workflow by ensuring everyone has access to the tools they need, without unnecessary distractions or potential for errors. So, you're ready to add a user? Fantastic! First things first, you'll need to log in to your Xero account. Make sure you're logged in with the appropriate permissions. Usually, the master administrator role is required to add new users. Once you're in, look for the organization settings. This is usually found by clicking on your organization name in the top left corner of the screen. A drop-down menu should appear, and within that menu, you should see something like Settings or Organization Settings. Click on that. Now you're in the heart of your Xero organization's control panel. In the Settings menu, you'll want to find the section related to users. This might be labeled Users, Users and Roles, or something similar. The exact wording might vary slightly depending on your Xero version, but it's usually pretty easy to spot. Click on the Users section. You should now see a list of your existing users. If you're just starting out, this list might be empty, or it might contain just your own account. To add a new user, look for a button that says something like Invite a User, Add User, or New User. Click on that button. This is where the magic happens. You'll be presented with a form to fill out for the new user. First, you'll need to enter their name and email address. Double-check the email address. This is where their invitation to Xero will be sent, so accuracy is key. Now comes the crucial part, choosing the user role. Xero offers a range of predefined user roles, each with different levels of access. Let's break down some of the common ones. Master Administrator. This is the top dog. Master administrators have full access to everything in Xero. They can add and delete users, manage subscriptions, access all financial data, and basically do anything within the organization. Use this role sparingly and only assign it to trusted individuals. Advisor. Advisors typically have broad access, but they might have some restrictions compared to the master administrator. They can usually access most financial data and generate reports, but they might not be able to manage subscriptions or user access. This role is often suitable for accountants or bookkeepers. Standard. Standard users have a good balance of access. They can typically enter data, generate invoices, reconcile bank accounts, and perform other day-to-day tasks. This role is often suitable for employees who handle the financial transactions of the business. Read-only. As the name suggests, read-only users can only view data. They can't make any changes. This role is perfect for employees who need to see financial information but don't need to edit anything. Inventory. This role is specifically designed for managing inventory. Users with this role can track inventory levels, create purchase orders, and manage stock. It's essential to choose the right role for each user. Think carefully about what they need to do in Xero and select the role that best matches their responsibilities. Don't give someone more access than they need. It's better to err on the side of caution. Once you've selected the user role, you might have some additional options to customize their permissions further. For example, you might be able to restrict access to specific bank accounts or limit their ability to approve invoices. Take a moment to review these options and tailor the permissions to your specific needs. After you've filled out all the necessary information and selected the user role, click the Invite or Save button. Xero will then send an invitation email to the new user. They'll need to click on the link in the email to accept the invitation and create their Xero login. And that's it. You've successfully added a new user to your Xero organization. It's a pretty straightforward process once you know where to look. Remember, understanding user roles and permissions is key to maintaining control over your financial data and ensuring smooth collaboration within your team. Now, let's recap the key steps. Log in to Xero with Master Administrator permissions. Go to Organization Settings. Navigate to the Users section. Click Invite a User or Add User. Enter the user's name and email address. Choose the appropriate user role. Customize permissions if needed. Send the invitation. By following these steps, you can confidently manage your team's access to your Xero account and keep your financial data secure. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.